Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 95 millimeters. Make this sketch here. Okay, go to sketch dimension. This line has 13.5 millimeters. Let's move here a little bit. Okay, we have this. Go to smart dimension. This line has 85 millimeters of distance, and the angle between this line here and this line here is 11.5 degrees. Press OK. We have this. OK. Finish the sketch. Go to create, select revolve. The profile is this profile. The axis is this line here. 360 degrees. The angle, operation new body, press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to modify, select fillet. Select this edge here. The fillet here is 5 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Now go to create again, modify, sorry. Select chamfer. Select this edge here. The chamfer here is 1 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create a sketch. Select the top plane. Select a circle. Make a circle here with 8.3 millimeters of diameter. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and the midpoint here is 10 millimeters. Now go to constraint, select horizontal vertical constraint, select the circle and the midpoint here. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. The side here is symmetric, and the distance here all operation cut, and press OK. We have this. Okay. We have this. Okay. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.